Hello beautiful people, welcome back again to Foodright kitchen. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my own semovita. So I'm going to be showing you the measurements, the water measurements, the semovita measurements, also my method how I make my own semovita. The type of semo I use is golden penny semo. They're very good. I love them. I've been eating that for, I don't know, I can't even remember how many years I've been eating golden penny semovita. So you guys, you can go and try it. You can find it in any African Caribbean shop or even in a Pakistan shop. For those of you who live in Nigeria, obviously you find it in every shop in Nigeria. So I'm going to be taking you guys through the recipe. Let's go there. To prepare the semo, you will need clean bowl, olive oil, wooden spoon, water, semovita flour, cooking pot, and wooden scoop or plastic scoop. So first thing, I had 500 ml water in a cooking pot and put to boil on a medium heat. So while waiting for the water to boil, I had half cup of semovita in a clean bowl, then had 200 ml of water to mix it. So guys, as you can see how I'm mixing it, this is exactly how you want the mixture to look like. You don't want to, mix it too thick or too thin. So exactly the way you're watching on this video is how you should mix it. Okay, so now the water has boiled, so I am going to be adding the mixture into the boiling water and stir it before covering it with a lid. So guys, one thing I would like to say is that when you are using this method, you need to stir the mixture for at least 1 to 2 minutes to prevent the consistency from having lumps. As you can see, it's a bit watery here, but as time goes on, as I'm stirring it, it will become thicker and thicker. Yeah, so as you can see how thicker it becomes. Yeah, so now it shows that it's ready to be covered with a lid. Cover with a lid and leave it to boil for 5 to 6 minutes before adding semovita flour. So guys, another thing I would like to say is that while waiting for the mixture to cook, I would advise you keep eye on the pot so that the consistency doesn't boil over. And once you see it start boiling up the top, you can open the lid and cover it halfway. I had a little oil in a bowl of water for easy scooping, and this is to avoid the semovita sticking to the wooden scoop when scooping the semovita from the pot. Okay guys, so this is the semovita after about 6 to 7 minutes of boiling, and as you can see how it's bubbling really well. This is how your consistency should look like when you're making semovita. So this shows that the consistency is ready, and now I can add the semovita flour to make it hard and firm. Okay guys, so it's time to add the semovita flour to make the consistency more firmer. And also, as you're adding the semovita flour, make sure you're adding it bit by bit, at the same time stirring it, because you don't want the semovita to be lumpy. So in that way, if you follow this method, you won't go wrong about it. You will be it will be perfect. Then I add about 80 ml of water for the final cook. Then I use the scoop to clean the wooden spoon and tidy the semovita around the pots. So just before I cover the semovita with a lid, I use this the wooden spoon to make a hole in the middle and on the side of the pot to help the semovita cook well. Then you leave it for another 5 to 6 minutes to cook. So after 6 minutes of cooking, it's time to do the final stirring now. So just to let you guys know, this semo here is for 2 people. But if you want to make for, you know, like 4 people, you know, you have to double the measurement and the cooking timing. You can see how smooth and soft the semovita looks like. This is exactly the texture, you know, I want my semovita to be like. And yes, so also guys, if you want to make it more, you know, maybe thicker than this, you can as well, you know, add a bit more semovita flour. Okay guys, so the semovita is ready now. So I'm serving it in a cling fin for later, but if you're ready to eat yours, you can just serve it straight away in a plate. Alright guys, so we've come to the end of the video now. I hope you like my method, how I make my semovita. Go and try it, see how it comes out. You can have it with either egusi soup, okra soup, efo, vegetable soup, any type of soup you can have it with. If you want to make efo, go to my YouTube channel. You will see the recipe for efo if you want to make one. And please guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And those of you that haven't subscribed, please go and subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on your notification button for more videos, because I'm going to be uploading lots of videos now. So go and subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and let me know at the comment section below how your semovita turn out when you make it. Thank you. See you again in another video. Bye bye.